Intermittent problems again? They're always tough. Equipment trouble report isn't much help, and the latest repair report isn't complete. It's been months since I had to do a setup. Procedure and test points are in this manual somewhere. I spend too much time hunting for information, double-checking the accuracy of my findings with a scope. This is way too complicated.
Video equipment. What a challenge for video engineers who must service the instruments. The abundance of equipment today makes it difficult to stay current with the latest techniques.
New, higher performance time-based correctors, synchronizers, tape machines, routing switchers, cameras, and other equipment are becoming more complex. Not only must engineers stay current with the function, setup, repair, and alignment of the equipment, but they also need a quick reference for the necessary information.
Service manual libraries expand with each new equipment introduction, and just locating information can be a time-consuming task. You need easy access to a database that's a quick resource for setup and repair instruction, as well as equipment history.
Today's broadcast stations, production houses, cable companies, equipment manufacturers, and service centers need help. Frequently, the urgency of problem solving, better known as firefighting, displaces the more important preventive maintenance goal. The answer is an automated maintenance system. Tektronix provides this system solution for you.
Tech's EZtech 2400 PC solution is a combination of our PEP 301 system controller, or any IBM PC or PC compatible, our 2465A DV scope, and EZtech 2400 software. Together, these components make up a flexible, cost-effective, automated measurement system that will save you time and increase your productivity.
Let's look at the system hardware features, and then we'll demonstrate the software capabilities.
This is Tech's 2465ADV. It's a 350 megahertz, 4-channel, dual time-base oscilloscope. The 2465A family offers as standard features auto setup, save, recall, cursors, and auto triggering. All these features are real time savers and so easy to use.
The DV is one of Tech's special edition scopes. It's equipped with 4 options, making it a powerful system component. First, it contains a 4.5-digit auto-ranging digital multimeter. This DMM has all the features you'd expect, plus continuity, temperature, minimum maximum, smoothing, and a reference set.
Second, the video measurement system will trigger the scope on any line in any field, and it's compatible with traditional and non-traditional interlaced or non-interlaced video systems. You no longer have to guess or count horizontal sync pulses to find a certain line. The readout displays the field and line number even for high-definition television.
The third option is a precision counter timer trigger and word recognizer. The CTT provides the high resolution and accuracy of a crystal time-based counter, plus logic triggering and a 17-bit word recognizer probe.
And finally, the GPIB interface makes the scope and its options fully programmable. The 2465A's measurement power combines with the PC and EZtech software to create a complete computer-based equipment alignment, troubleshooting, and data package.
Now, all those problems engineers deal with using standard methods can be handled quickly and easily. If you own an IBM PC or PC compatible, it can become an instrument controller by simply installing Tech's Guru GPIB interface board and EZtech software. Or with Tech's new PEP 301, you can have a PC already configured with the GPIB interface and EZtech software.
Now, connect the scope to the PC with a GPIB cable and use the EZtech 2400 PC software to create automated test and setup procedures.
Let's go into more detail about the EZtech 2400 PC software. Its name is EZtech because it really is easy to use. You don't have to do any programming. Just follow simple instructions. We'll first review each module and then execute each process. The software consists of 3 modules. Easy Test Program Generator for an engineer to create procedures. easy execution for an operator to run the procedures, and easy data management for accessing data files.
After an engineer has created a procedure, any operator can execute it.
An engineer creates an EZtech procedure as a series of steps using the EZtest program generator module.
The calibration procedure for this VTR occupies 5 pages in this service manual and requires 50 steps. Manually, this procedure could take 3 hours or more to do. To automate this procedure, the engineer uses the EZtest program generator to enter each step. Once the scope's front panel setups are stored, the engineer enters operator prompts, measurement limits, branching directions, and data output locations.
This approach makes it easy for an engineer recently trained on a specific instrument to transfer new knowledge into an EZtech procedure. Anyone executing the procedure will benefit from the engineer's experience.
Later, when the operator replays the procedure using the Easy Execution module, the prompt provides instructions, automatically sets up the scope, and compares the measurement to limits. Now the time required to calibrate the VTR is cut to 1 hour or less.
And the Easy Data module provides data of all your tests. A precise record of the test will be stored on disk and output to a printer. Here's an example using each module.
We'll use the EZtest program generator module to add a step to an existing calibration procedure. We'll measure the frequency of a digital clock signal. First, open the procedure. Then select Add Step. Name the step Frequency. Configure the step map. It defines what actions this step will take.
It's like a flow chart. Each option requires simple yes-no decisions, like should a measurement be made? And should its value be tested against limits? Should the data be stored on a disk or output to a printer?
Next, EZtech prompts us to set up the scope to make the measurement. Connect the probe. Then press Auto Setup and turn on the counter.
EZtech then stores the entire front panel setup of your scope. That's right, actual knob and switch settings, the digital multimeter, the counter timer trigger, the video triggers, and even the display and readout intensities are all stored on a disk.
When the procedure is replayed, the scope is automatically set up. The operator doesn't waste time turning knobs or pushing buttons. Next, we'll enter the operator prompt and describe what the operator needs to know, like which probe to connect to what test point and its location.
We'll enter the high and low limits for the measurement. If the measurement fails, we can branch to a troubleshooting or calibration procedure. This provides flexibility, but at the same time, locks testing into a pattern the experienced station engineer knows to be the most efficient path to target a problem. Now we've added a new step to the procedure using the EZtest program generator. The finished procedure can be stored on a disk to be recalled later by the operator, who will use the Easy Execution module for this calibration procedure.
This disc contains a calibration procedure for that videotape recorder. Here's one of the steps we've created. We'll run the procedure using the Easy Execution module. Only the prompt messages and measurement results are displayed. The operator cannot edit or change the procedure. This assures consistency and locks testing into a fixed pattern.
After calling up the procedure, enter your name and follow instructions. The prompt message guides you to the test point and explains what to do.
We've connected our probe to test point 12, and the scope measures the frequency. The results are displayed on the screen.
The controls for the 2465A are automatically set up for the measurement. The measurement result is tested against limits, and then a pass or no pass decision is made, just as you see here. In this case, pass is indicated, so we'll proceed with the next step. If it had failed, the software would branch to a troubleshooting procedure, then return to the mainstream of the program. As you've seen, all the information here and in all these reports, plus your knowledge and experience, go right into an EZtech procedure.
The third module is Easy Data. It provides flexible data management. As a procedure is executed, a precise record of its results is created. Data can be logged to disk files and output to a printer. The files are in ASCII2 format, so you can transfer data to a spreadsheet or to other software for trend analysis. Each test is operator name, date, and time stamped.
This is an accurate and efficient way to review data each time an instrument comes in for repair. It alleviates filling out time-consuming reports. EZtech does the job for you.
Work time can be dramatically reduced when procedures are performed automatically with the EZtech 2400 PC system. Procedures may be written for all types of equipment. VTRs, TBCs, graphics systems, audio gear, and frame synchronizers, to name a few.
Procedures may also control other instruments, such as Tech's 2430A and 2432 digital storage scopes, and any other GPIB instruments, allowing for system expandability. Wherever video equipment maintenance is important, from broadcast and production houses to service centers and equipment manufacturers, this Tektronix measurement system provides a cost-efficient solution.
With EZtech 2400 software, a PC with a GPIB board, and the 2465 ADV, you'll have the most powerful and user-friendly automated system available today.